So about HopeUI. HopeUI is one of our breakthrough creations. What we have done here is entirely re-engineered how admin dashboards are made. For HopeUI, we thought let's start it from a blank canvas. As passionate designers and developers, we asked ourselves that how we can make lives easier for our fellow developers and designers so that they can be more efficient towards their work. The answer was straightforward: innovation. In HopeUI, we have fine-tuned every process in the workflow of developing a spectacular front-end for modern-day web apps. Traditionally, when creating admin dashboards, we always kept the emphasis on giving multiple components, styles, and the pages, which made the whole package quite bulky and the code was real mess. So as developers, it's quite frustrating for us to clean all the unwanted code as well as solve all the silly bugs that we get after it. So it just pushes your project to a brink of failure. We knew this had to change, and that's when we invested months of our time, effort, and research in building the future of admin UI. HopeUI increases efficiency in project development workflows by innovating ways for the developers to use admin dashboards without having to deal with nonsense. It simply begins with an idea of creating most developer-friendly admin dashboard, which is fundamentally super solid.
Today, problem with most admin dashboard is the size and weight of them. That slows down your project. We have been there too. Talking about the HopeUI, it is built from the ground up using the revolutionary modular approach. This was very critical in order to avoid the repetition work in the front-end coding and get rid of that unwanted code in the package. So we made certain that items which are not required were just removed from it. A game changer and my personal favorite is Live Customizer. Styling an admin dashboard and adapting it into your brand guideline was never ever so easy. In just a few clicks, you can change the color, menu styles, fonts, application names, and much more. HopeUI is an all-inclusive design system where designers and developers get to work with the same set of components and widgets. This makes sure that there are no design inconsistency in the project.
When we planned HopeUI, we knew one thing, that teams working on multiple technologies should feel at home with HopeUI. So we designed and coded HopeUI for the ecosystem. You get a familiar folder structure and a code base across all technologies. HopeUI is backed by our team who has been doing this for a decade. We have put in everything that we have learned over the years to bring HopeUI to life. We are a group of singles, married, animal lovers, amateur photographers, introvert guitarists, spectacularly failed painters, weekend chefs, and a whole lot more, all with an itch to collaborate beyond pushing lines of code and pixels on daily basis. HopeUI is unlike anything you have ever seen. That's what our community of over 25,000 users say. So, before starting your next project, don't miss out on trying HopeUI.